Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson, Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this beautiful 2014 Ram 2500 diesel 4x4. Super nice truck, really clean outside and in. Nice granite metallic exterior color. Purchased here locally at Firkins. Here's a look at the vehicle. So this is equipped with the Bluetooth radio, also satellite radio capable. Does have the automatic headlights on it. Does have the shift on the floor, four-wheel drive, pardon the Mountain Dew bottle. But again, this is the crew cab, so nice big cabin. Seating for 6 actually. You can actually fold this middle center console up and that can become a seat. So 6 grown adults can actually fit in here nice and comfortably. So to find out more about this truck, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169. Or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.